What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another fantastic cooking video for you. I am going to show you how to make sloppy joes. They're pretty easy to make, but I'm going to show you how to do it from... Anyway, let's go over the ingredients. So to make sloppy joes, you're going to need a can of manwich sauce, and you'll need a pound of ground beef or turkey, and you'll need some rolls or some burger buns. You can use rolls if you want sliders, but it's more conventional to use burger buns. So let's get started. So first things first, you're going to put your pound of ground beef or turkey onto a saucepan, and you're gonna cook it. You're gonna chop it up and cook it thoroughly. All right. So here's a little trick if you're cooking frozen meat. If you're cooking it straight from, if you just pulled the meat out of the freezer and you're putting it on a saucepan, here's a little trick. Put it on high heat and put a lid over it, and then wait about a minute or two, and then afterwards you're going to take a spatula and you're going to scrape. You're going to flip the meat like so, and then you're going to scrape, and then you're going to scrape the cooked parts off of the package of meat, like this. See what I'm doing? Little trick I discovered to break up frozen meat while it's cooking, thawing and cooking. Okay, so our ground turkey looks mostly browned, and I'm going to open our can of manwich sauce and pour it into this pan. Okay, so those are how your sloppy joes would look like. Now I'm going to go get a slider roll and mix it in, and I'll show you how the final product's supposed to look like. Okay, so this is how your final product should look like. So I'm going to sample it. Hopefully it turned out good. These are really good. So that's how to make sloppy joes. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.